Yo, we're back. We're reacting to funniest smash or pass ever. Watermelon and Smiley. Watermelon is out of witness protection, apparently.
Yeah, see.
But like kids, season I'm a bomb because money I'm a and today we're operating a smash of case. Boys, sky I'm a fan.
Woza Matala Woza 2024.
Okay, I'm calling now.
The flow by Scott Arnold.
Okay.
He did not qualify.
Isikhathi ama-aremkade
Amacici, isifedi, nose ring, a chain. I can tell right inside. And why is he on that side?
Yeah, next. Okay. Hello.
Hi.
No.
Sharp. Kennedy.
Kennedy.
What is this?
What's going on?
I don't know.
And why are you in the bedroom?
Nyabo.
Yes.
You.
Nah, like I see type I'm feeling. Yeah. But there are people who can be
Okay, you might get it.
sure. Come.
Hope.
Hope. Not to do so come back. What else? Grand. Smash. She giving bad bitch vibe.
What the fuck? Akana ID.
That bitch made me nje.
Akana ID.
She's that type. I'm sorry.
Usageza amasocks
Akagrider.
akamhlophe.
Akagrider.
She's that type. I'm sorry. I'm not right.
Sikuphi?
Get it.
Smash.
Uthi dot sikhohla kahle ngalo.
Smash with no doubt. Yo. Aish, big mommy, dog. There's a thing about big mummies. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
She looks like a young girl. What the fuck is this?
I'll smash.
This is no longer a bedroom. I don't know what situation this is. This is no longer a bedroom.
Nina nizoboshwa nina.
Mhlawumbe, okay, sliding door.
Bazoboshwa.
There's a thing about what? Big money. You know it.
Oh yeah. Intro. Back to the G side. Away. This is King Potoza in the cut.
Uzowa khumula lento uphefumulela. How? There's like 80 people in the story.
Away. It comes the car. Being IVP and doing the most. So let me just start here. How are you? What's your name? Kennedy. Kennedy. Me, I'm not a judging nigga, ne?
Hey, I'm not gonna judge.
You're looking mighty fine. Me, I'm a smash.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
Is it that tiny or it's the camera angle?
Yeah.
I hope I get to meet with
If a fitted hat is this big on your head, you're a small person.
you someday.
What's that?
Yeah.
I hope I get to meet with you someday.
Mate.
Smash too.
He said mate.
Yeah, you can find.
He said mate.
Hope.
Yeah.
I hope I get to meet with you someday.
Meat.
No, he said mate.
Meat.
What the hell would he say? I hope I can get to meet you. They already met.
He can't spell mate, my guy. Work with me here.
I hope I get to meet with you someday.
Meat.
Smash too. Yeah, you can find mommy's no lie. How are you?
Underage girls.
Yeah, like sharp. I'm not a petty guy. Like I'm a Zulu ass nigga. So what's your name?
Awekho amanika kwaZulu. Amen. Danke siyabonga.
Gegetsu. Yo, okay. Me a smash.
Okay.
How are you? So what's your name? Okay, my name is Tunes, nah. Yeah, yo. When are you looking fine? You are 10, like you're the one, young son. So like it's triple, quadruple smash for you. No lie. How are you?
Hi.
I'm very good and fine. Yeah, so what's your name?
Buhlali.
Bushe.
Buhlali.
Yeah. I like your style. I like your drip. But like, there's something off, young Todd. But like, it's not personal. But it's not personal, nah. I'm never gonna judge you, but sorry, like, pass, nah. Yeah, but like, oh wait.
What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on?
Who am I with?
Kennedy.
That's me. It's me.
Hey guys, this is your girl Kennedy. Shout out to the 3G Musketeers. I reach you name. Hi.
Hello.
Jean.
Chapman.
What's your name?
Dave.
Ma?
Dave.
Okay. No offense, Mara pass ne. I want to pass you. You good like but pass ne. Hi.
Away.
Yo, I'm a dolphin. You go see him. Hi.
What is it? What does that mean?
Yo, hi ne. Ang pasa, ang smashan na ma dolphin.
What's a dolphin? What's a dolphin?
Stage lesson. So Nigeria ni state. Nitima le stage lesson se Nigeria ni state pinkosi yam. My brother, but you looking fire, hey? Hi.
Oh, he has the most color.
Relax. Anina data so scanner le pingle. Ni kusho rikashi.
Looking for your ass,
My ass, ni sos plata, lengo methi sos plata kulela mina. Osakhuluma ufuna ukuthi amapetito watwa. Hayi baba, relax, ne. Breathe. Chest, relax. Relax. Hi. Ukren. I pass, ne. Hi. Sharp.
Damn, it is so tiny.
I pass. Hello, nanai. Ushot the side peg. You wanna laban la cinco shapu hisho.
What does that mean?
I don't know. I'm too old.
I feel older than these videos.
Something I sorry ne. When I'm telling the complexion ya get when this skin sansinja mara pass ne. Yo.
Fuck off.
Pepe.
It's a girl home. Squatio. What can I say?
Smash. Pero bonus.
Yes.
Hey, Shanice, umuntu disguisile la engaleni. Motherfuckers on the sting operation. What the fuck is going on? Kwenzakalani? Hey.
I pass. Like I told niggas roll right.
As I said, you're not bad, ne? Mara pass.
Vamos cá que esse vai chegar.
Pass. Axilica. Pass.
Why is he so upset?
What are you? This is a learning. Batheni uyi-Apollo. Batheni angisakhumbuli mara. Oh, nani wrong. Yabona nje.
Eyo bafethu basifundisa that boy JP organize uphathi do and stay straight bafethu.
What the fuck is this? Happy azazi ithakazelo zakho.
Phelezana ngamasayinde manje kwenzakalani?
Was a crime. Yeah. Usetshele ntwana. Simple akadize ukukhulana nabantu ntwana. Ukuthi bamenze kumbukhaya. Relax, my sister. Relax. Akusukuthi bakenzele ukhumbule ekhaya elwane.
Why the fuck would they make that? You fucking moron.
Wena ngokwakho banedata mamela kune-Wi-Fi la asisele.
It's not nice, Papa. I told you, you can eat more white with pap.
Asenze i-trip check isport enongangitshela ukuthi ugqoke imali abazali bakho yes ngeke uqequpushinga ngezinto lezi uthi yizona lezi jista rock
Mamela.
relax it's ingri uyabona wena mamela relax
So scanning
What app is this? I don't know. Mamela.
Watermelon mamela yambona lo if you Halloween bekhona eSouth Africa akayidingi no costume yambona unjani mamela
Oh, this girl.
yabona umntwana yithi ngithanda
Why would you guys do this to yourselves? Why would you guys do this to yourselves?
may her father spend more time with her.
ukuthi kuye epato kunomunye umuntu bathi umakhobe yabo uyathi usmiley yena ngayi watermelon ngiyakufrostad nawu umakhobe
So they just have to sit there and take it.
Baba, put kanjani mic? That's my question. Like, how did we get here? Things are going so well. Nibambene and Pelezalana ngamasayinde. Now we are in this room now. Like, we are fucked now.
ngiyakubona ne uyazidla izinto ezimnandi hayi wena
Smile. Ukani muphu iferata yasangakarusi.
Those things don't go together. I don't care.
Magarusi. Ususela. No, it's pass.
Shaman, got real shit to do.
ngokwakho lento le 50 rand emakhulu nawe uyazibrusha ama-el
50 rand brush.
Ningachase, guys. Ningachase. Shakes and less, right?
Yo, sibonge singaka. Ayine plastic surgery ngisebenze la.
Ouch. Don't get with the world.
Wait. Smash for new side here. Feel it. Hello. Bankamana. Kids. Do you like the height? Do you like the height?
Keketso ujatshuliswa amasiko. Ujatshuliswa udoti. Khohlakalisela.
Everything is chill.
Ukhohlakele. Uphume kubo angazi ukuthi uyaphi. But she's here.
Ebafaneni.
Bulala ngesibhakela sangena endlini.
Like the eyes smash.
Nomshawu kuyadliwa nokulinga. Child.
Yeah,
That's a child.
Yo, I know my thing plan being smash. Wena ungisa ngibhekile ka
Hayi
mama
bo.
ngizohlanza yo.
Yes. Kanti kwenzekani lana?
njingale wedding ngaphandle
But it's cold, no way. No, mina mangivuke ngibheke isibhekile nangithubi.
leso sikhathi mangimbheka ithemba lami liyabuya
What does that mean?
I don't know. She's having faith in herself. I don't know.
Ukuthi sekufanele
phela
agane.
ngiprincess Sophia
What was happening in this episode? Okay, she's waiting.
You boys are getting cooked for no reason.
I'm going to go to car bad. Toto ma upeke ne so ko okay.
Hello, so I can fit here. Get up. Yeah, can I present lang ko Facebook? Yeah. Hello. Shab. Smash. What?
Yo,
Hello.
Hello, hi.
What's up?
Who's this Bridget? What the fuck is going on with that beard?
Maybe 4.
I believe.
I look at 4 in there. I have 4.
Hello. What's up? Piss. Hello. Delay, but that's piss. And go don't know. Hello. What's up?
Somebody in the way passion into this.
Yeah, Lumana.
It's your boy Choose Square, say yes.
You are a boy. Fuck off.
Hello.
Ningane iphandle ebusuku kanje kanti kwenzekani?
Now ngathi pipe hub like
Bitch ass pants.
now ngathi pipe hub like pass.
Relax. Tanononel anayo i-mousetrap isefake emlomeni wakhe. Ngithi i-mousetrap. Sifuna ukubulala igundwane. Sifuna ukubulala
Right. A good day.
Anamisha welcome. Bani. Anangachemba who pass. Hello.
She's just saying we're beating from everyone.
Smash. Check. Hello. Welcome. Hello. One come. When you feature I'm going
Future about Queen or something.
Future about Queen. Why would you say that?
One come. When you feature I'm going
Future about Queen. Okay.
Ah! She doesn't know whether to smile because it's a compliment or an insult.
Backhanded boy. Like, wait, did I just...
Look at her trying to figure out what I'm doing over. I'm complimenting.
when you feature I'm going
Oh!
Let's put in the car. Let's Janet.
Okay, I'm
I'm a foot trip. Yes, yes.
Sharp.
If you want. No, I'm not a view once.
Smash.
What's a view once?
Keep asking me that. Like, yeah, my kids, they know that I'm here. Nah, I don't think they do. They probably having some good ass time with their mom. That is finer than you, I guess. Time with their mom. That is finer than you, I guess.
You guess?
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
Sharp.
Good.
Hello. Sharp. Sharp.
For A.
Kwamasim. Akangena into bani ikhona kwalisebenzini.
Mbulaleni, please. Mzali.
Uzobuza abafana bawazi nogogo. Fuseki man.
Mzali.
Hayi man, hey.
Zali.
Fusakeke manje. Ubuza umfana uthi awazini ukumkuka. Usimende man.
Peggy oats in a castor oil or something.
Oh.
That's a bar.
Fusek.
Hello. 360 yeah.
Now you're
changing.
Ke shota go lo dlala bolo e. Ke shota go lo dlala bolo e. Ke ke shota go dlala bolo e na ka bot. Pass. Hello. Sharp. Smash.
Bakale bakuhleka kuqala. Kunekinga. Uye. Uwe. Mangivile. Ongivile. Kaba bakale ngokuhleka kuqala.
Akunani ukuhleka
Okay,
ngiyarekhoda.
Yeah, record.
It's a point and listen to Kabile vibes for feature.
Hello.
Nani yabona umsangano nobana bekhoma ivele kwamele sisho. Hello.
One njanda bona.
Anami ngisha. Chingibone mfini. Eish. Ama wafaka ispagetti enhloko.
Spaghetti and le happy
My like imo. Skatsa, mwa 1 million iphupho labazali bakho.
Let her talk.
Fuck her. Good in the kuluma. This video would have been over by now.
Enokokuqala angijoli lokho angeke ngispeshe ukelo ugqoka size 11. Asiyeza. Sharp. Fi nami ngisharp ish. Awena bengizokusmash yabo inkinga nawe man hey. Umesnacks ume like ngathi umlenze scare wrong understand. Nale speaker siwoza matsala singcono kunawe. Understanding no lezimbashile maybe wafaka ispray nyana sizothi yabo.
Hello.
Njani?
Sharp wena.
Nami ngigrey. Fi aish. Umlayte wonke. Futhi ngishaya 360 la.
360 manje.
Inkinga wona umacala ukuqedile wena. Inkinga ibody count yakhe ichange chairs.
Nyalayeka zinja. Nyalayeka.
I've lost my faith in children. Like we are way past the era of we are the world.
No,
ingacula leyo ngoma.
No, don't plan on procreating. It's fine.
Another procreation ngithi laba bakhona manje emqomeni kaDodi ngizitshwala kabi.
She's good. Sharp, serious. Ngiyabona ngismash. Ngiyabona ngismash.
Okay.
Eshimninki ngukela mu ngismash kamnandi wena ngathi umope esebenzisile. Respectfully passed dona yami. Dona yami leyo. Respectfully passed.
Hey, now my scientist now.
What's up, everybody? It's Chidi Chavital__B in all social media platforms, baby. Ngithanda ukuthi another day, another dollar. Asambe sobabona. Bengithi ngiyababona makababona ngesobana khona yifo.
That's a bar.
That's a bar.
Njani? Manje twinkle twinkle little star fatty wetala. He's nice, no? But he's wearing fake eyes.
Fake eyes. It's not eyes.
King. Yanja. Yo, go wonke amabhodlela la eSouth Africa wakhetha ukulingana nele savana why?
That is crazy. Shouldn't just stayed home.
Yeah.
Badanga. So maba advertiser insibone usukubheke phi? What? Gini quantitative. Bazothi ngiyayithanda le question. Gini quantitative.
Yeah.
Gini quantitative.
Of course.
So maba advertiser insibone usukubheke phi?
So I'm dark, it means I'm gazing.
When do women get an appreciation for dark-skinned men?
Iyabanda. Ngabe uqale ngokuyibeka phezulu kwesitofu before uzala.
So you can eat it now.
Eat what? Oh, style lapha. Yo.
You know all these men have the tools to humble her.
Guys, ngithole i-flavor entsha ye-lunch bar emhlophe. White chocolate flavor.
There is one though, right? Lunch bar, the blue one.
That's a PS.
No, EPS le imhlophe. It called the lunch bar blue with the blue wrapper, blue and purple. I remember that shit.
Otlontunya obile ka obefe otlontunya gape o hana size seta sa ke skateboard sesekana busheni enje ayiflya ngivale neinyawo yenze so abafana abachester bale ku Manchester ubizwe Galavante kasi uzomjwayela amasiko Smiley, if I catch you, ngizokushaya yini lento le. If I catch him.
Amafutha kasakhona.
What are those?
Like the non-branded old start everything.
Oh.
Ngathi bebamthume emakuleni wathi yo ithi ngithi.
I'd respect him more kunani engezela lamasiko.
Lime green, navy blue, ipunze. How about for the club? Infano. Yo. Marala, even if I were about to lower my standard, he doesn't meet the criteria.
You have a criteria?
Or if Nalum Sune comes smash, Maraki Nyaka so respectful. Pass.
Ban passani to respect. Marasho. Buffett, you don't forget.
Fuck off.
Watermelon no Smiley. Congrats to them. Bangigile futhi. They've managed to piss me off just when I thought I was immune to these videos. Wow, pain.
Kana bafana bayini ke abanje
nalabo baba baneyintshebe nihlele izitoreroom nezingane ezincane. Hey, awungeke.
These people might not actually be that young.
Yeah?
They might not actually be that young.
Oba.
The participants.
Bancane laba ingane lezi. Homework yodwa le, underline yodwa lo. Babhalidate.
I mean, isn't Watermelon in tertiary? It's partly your friends.
Anyway, bafethu. Bye-bye. If baku-tertiary then inyoni zangempela imdacengo. Like, comment, subscribe.